All right, good morning. So today is Wednesday, no, not Wednesday. Today is Thursday, April the 30th, and it's 9 o'clock a.m. So let's get started. First thing I'm checking with Forex Factory to see if there's any news today. And today we said it's the 30th, so, okay, nothing. We're good here. So I'm going over to our charts. We're gonna go to the MNQ. Change this to 6 contracts. I had changed it yesterday to 4. Okay, and alright, start with the daily. Okay, so daily time frame, still in a bullish trend. Been in a bullish trend for a while now. Okay. So yesterday's, well, the previous, no, a lot of these were taken out, so we can get rid of that previous day high, and that previous day low is still a key level, so we can leave that there. And yesterday's previous day low, we can mark that out now. Previous day low right here. And then yesterday's high was already taken out by today. So I'm not moving these yet. I am once we get down to the 1 hour time frame, because this time frame, the daily, we only mark out the previous day highs and lows. So the ones with the actual sessions, like the London, Asia, New York, I mark those in the 1 hour time frame, so I'm gonna wait till I get there to delete them. Okay, so this is still intact. None of these have been touched yet. This is the key level. It looks like it may have been taken out, but let me just extend it for now. And again, I marked the key level, I think, on the 1 hour. So we'll see if we see it when we get over there. I'm just extending these right now so we have better visibility when we get down to the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Oh, we have a few down here too. Let me extend all of these. Looks like it's from April 21st, so just a week ago or so. Jeez, that's a lot. Alright. Because we've been in such a bullish trend, none of these levels have been touched. So that's why they're still there and so far back. But they're still valid because they haven't been touched. So if market ends up going down, they can still be used. As long as they're not too old. Okay, I'm not gonna keep, well, I might as well, I'm all the way down here already. Okay. Keep getting these pop-ups on my screen. Okay, I think that's it. So now I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour time frame. See if we see any key levels here. All the way here. Okay, let's see if we can find any key levels to mark out. Off the bat, I don't see any. The ones I do see, we already marked out. See, there are the ones. Remember, I said I didn't want to change the ones in blue because I probably marked them in the 1 hour, where actually they've been marked in the 4 hour. But you see, they're still valid, so I'm not going to touch them. But actually, this one is no longer valid because level was taken up by this long candle, so that one can be removed, and so can this one because they were taken out by this bullish candle. Look. So those two can be removed. And looks like that's it. Yeah, okay. So dropping down now to the 1 hour time frame. This is where I marked my previous sessions, and I can remove some of these old levels. So this Asia high was taken out. This New York high was taken out by these sessions. This London high was taken out. What else? Recently others. Nope. Okay. So now we're gonna mark. So we said those were already taken out for Asia. This London high was already taken out. The low is still valid. New York low still valid. High was taken out. This Asia low and high was taken out. London high was taken out, but not the low. So we can mark this London low right here. And it's also the New York. Is it the New York low? No, New York low is down here. Okay. So London low, London high was already taken out. New York high already taken out. New York low, we marked that already. And here we have the Asia high, we can mark that. And we can mark this Asia low as well. We can also mark this current London low and high. And those could take them small to get ready. So right now going down to the 1 hour, that's the 1 hour, we're going down to the 5-minute time frame now to start marking some entries. So again, you see a bunch of bullish fair value gaps, meaning that we're looking for shorts. I see one bearish fair value gap, meaning we're looking for a long, but that kind of looks like it's going to be taken out soon. It's still only 9:07, so we have some time before the market opens and we can do our entries. So I'm just going to mark out what I see right now, and then I will come back once it gets closer to any of the entries. I'm just looking here. This is not overly green, but it is. It's just because this wick entered it, but it did not inverse it, so it's still a valid bullish. But as you can see, a new bearish fair value gap just formed, so I just wanted to get on and mark that out with you guys because it looks like a potential entry. If a candle closes and inverses it, then we can get in and get that one. So it looks like we may be close to an entry because either we can take this inversed one, we can get this long, if this bearish fair value gap inverses, or we can get this short if this bullish fair value gap down here inverses. So either way, it looks like we're going to be able to get in the trade pretty soon. There's still 3.5 more minutes left until this candle closure. So right now my account balance is $50,587. So hopefully we can win a trade today to get us closer to our $2,500 evaluation goal. Okay, so it's 10:04. Bearish fair value gap is about to inverse, so I can enter. So we have about less than 20 minutes left on this candle closure, but I'm not gonna enter if it's too far up. Like usually, if it's up here, I will still enter because we have a lot of space until the next fair value gap. But I'm not doing that this time. Like it needs to be where my entry is. There you go. Okay. Shit. I pressed the wrong button. Damn. I meant to do a long. Guys, I pressed the wrong button. I meant to take a long and I took a short by mistake. So I just lost some money by mistake. I just lost what, $60? Oh, 14, thank God. It wasn't anything crazy. Is it? I don't even know. I don't even know if that's right. I think it's like manipulating based on the current market, but let's see. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I pressed the wrong button. I wanted to take a long and I pressed to take a short instead. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I didn't do too much damage and hopefully, you know, take profit for this one. Alright, so let's let it play out and see what happens. Oh man, okay, so we didn't take profit. We actually got stopped out with that one, so we lost that trade. So I think I'm done trading for today because, so how much did I lose? I just lost $185.30. So my new account balance is $50,401.70. I feel like I may end trading today. I don't think I want to take another. What's my balance again? 401. I don't know if I want to take another trade or not. Let's see. Okay, you can see it's 10:19. A little under a minute before this candle closes, but unless it comes back to there, I'm not going to enter. I'm going to enter when it gets around here. Again, I'm going for a short, so that's the red button. Let me not forget that this time. Okay, so let's see what ends up happening once this candle closes. If it closes and reverses that, I want it to wait till it gets right around this area before I enter the trade. I'm going to go up to around there. Okay, enter. Okay, let's see if this plays out. This doesn't look like my 15. This doesn't look like. Yeah, this is not my 15. My stop should be there, and that should be there. That's so weird. Why isn't it? Because you know how I, mark these out so that it's supposed to match exactly, because that's 15 and 30. Oh, 15, 30. Okay, hopefully we win this trade because we already lost yesterday. We lost today already, so hopefully we get some profit here. Time will tell. Regardless of what happens after this, I'm out. If I win, I'm out. If I lose, I'm out. I'm done for the day. Okay, we got stopped out again. I'm done. I followed my strategy. I did exactly what I needed to do. So it's a loss, but it's not a loss because I gambled. It's a loss because, you know, today just was not one of those days. Again, this is not a 100% foolproof strategy. You're going to have losses. So as long as I lost, wow, follow my strategy, I'm fine. But look how close it came to take profit. Look, I was right there. And look, it stopped right there. But hey, it happens. So how much did I lose? Total today, I lost $385.70. So my new balance is down to $50,201.30. Okay. All right. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. Bye, guys.